Hello, this is Kumar Singhi. Welcome to a new episode, How to Manage Our Day-to-Day Stress Through Music. You will agree that there is no scarcity of stress in our life, but if we let it rule the roost, we are likely to face multiple complications down the road, including negatively impacting our mood, sense of well-being, behavior and health. Luckily, listening to certain types of music can help reduce our stress response. The 19th century Danish author Hans Christian Andersen wrote, "Where words fail, music speaks." Music has the power to conjure up every possible emotion. It can take us soaring to unimaginable heights, console us in our grief or loneliness, help us release our anger or frustration in a way that doesn't hurt anyone, get our bodies moving, and bring peace and calm to our hearts. Music also has the power to improve our health and well-being, which simply increases its awesomeness. It can also boost our immune system by increasing levels of the antibody immunoglobulin A. It can also lower our cortisol or stress hormone levels. It can also help decrease depression through targeted music therapy. It can also lower pain levels in many people. It can help with certain neurological conditions by reactivating speech centers of the brain and improve the memory of Alzheimer's and dementia patients. Music can affect the body in many health promoting ways, which is the basis for a growing field known as music therapy. Music therapy is the use of music to address the physical, emotional, cognitive, and social needs of a group or individual. It employs a variety of activities such as listening to melodies, playing an instrument, drumming, writing songs, and guided imagery. Music therapy is appropriate for people of all ages, whether they are virtuoso or tone deaf, struggling with illnesses, or totally healthy. Music therapy touches all aspects of the mind, body, brain, and behavior. Music can provide a distraction for the mind, it can slow the rhythms of the body, and it can alter our mood, which in turn can influence behavior. Using music in our daily life, that is the most important thing. However, you can use music in your daily life and achieve many stress relief benefits. I shall explain in detail. One of the great benefits of music as a stress reliever is that it can be used while you conduct your regular activities, so it really doesn't take time away from your busy schedule. Music provides a wonderful backdrop for your life, and you can find increased enjoyment from what you are doing while reducing stress from your day. Put together a custom playlist for each of these activities and you may soon notice a significant decrease in stress. When getting ready in the morning, you can wake yourself up with music and start your day feeling great. By selecting the right music, you can set the tone for a lower stress day. Classical or instrumental music can help you wake up while keeping you calm and focused. If you have a big busy day ahead that requires extra energy, try something that is upbeat and makes you want to dance and smile. During a commute, put an end to road rage by playing your favorite music in the car. It can relieve some of the tension you feel from the commute itself and the day so far. It can also help you feel less like you are wasting time in traffic and more like you are having some nice time to yourself. It can take your mind off all that you need to get done once you reach your destination. You will arrive less stressed and more prepared to take on what awaits you. Try switching to a classical station or a classical music when you are really stressed out. The soothing rhythms and the sounds can calm you down and make your commute smoother. Cooking. Good nutrition is an important part of a healthy lifestyle and it can actually keep your stress level down. Eating at home is a great way to ensure health ensure healthy meals and less expensive, but many people find themselves too tired to cook once they get home. If you put on some smooth jazz or a similar music that you enjoy, cooking becomes a fun activity rather than a chore. You will likely find yourself relaxed and in a better frame of mind once dinner starts, which can enable you to savor your dinner and your company as you eat. While eating, music can also be a helper as you are eating your meal. Soothing music can trigger the relaxation response, which can lower cortisol level, making it easier to digest food. Studies have shown that classical music in particular can help you eat less, digest better, and enjoy your food more. While cleaning, keeping a simple, organized home can really help to cut down on your stress level. But cleaning itself is a chore that many busy people don't have the energy to face after a long day. However, if you throw on some energetic music like hip hop, pop, for example, you can raise your energy level and have fun as you clean. If you tell yourself that you only need to clean for a certain amount of songs and then you can be done, you may work more efficiently. Who knows, you may even come to look forward to doing the job. When paying bills, we all need to pay bills, but the job doesn't always take a high degree of concentration. Playing music while you write your checks can help take your mind off of financial stress you may be feeling and make the task more enjoyable. Before bed, getting enough sleep is important for proper functioning, and getting enough sleep can help you handle stress better. Unfortunately, stress can also interfere with sleep in several ways. Playing music as you drift off is one way to counteract the effect of stress by taking your mind off what is stressing you. Music can help slow down your breathing and soothing your mind. Hope all this makes sense, and I suggest you to seriously start hearing your favorite music as mentioned above and experience the changes in you. By the way, if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, I request you to please consider doing that immediately and subscribe now. I also request you to share this with your colleagues, friends and relatives, and also to click the like button. Your gesture would be a great encouragement to my work here and also to come up with more interesting music and videos to you. I would also be very happy to see your comments below the videos. More on music, sound therapy and other related subjects along with my conversations and covers could be seen on my upcoming videos. Best wishes and bye for now. Happy music times. Thank you. God bless.